Ma'am, does the palace see a need to redo the entire scouring of the reported projects, considering that the DOJ itself, as well as other government agencies, saw several irregularities in the identification of the location of some projects?
It is within the jurisdiction of the DPWH. So it's up to Sec Vince to make amendments, to correct everything so that the real culprits will be held liable.
Ma'am, but did the president give a directive to redo the entire investigation?
Wala pong ganyan. Kailangan lang po talaga maitama. Kung ano po ang nangyaring pag-iimbestiga ngayon, sabi naman po ng DPWH, bago sila magsampa, tinitignan po nila ng maigi. Kung may pagkakamali, hindi lang po agad nila ito sinasampa. At ang sinasampa po naman nila, ayon na rin po kahapon, ay yung may tamang data at facts.